Yeah. Nice. That's good.
Make sure you put the washing away when you get in. Oh, your sister's not well, so I could do with a little bit of help today. You listening?
Right, Mum. I've got to talk to you later tonight, so I'll see you about 6:30.
Coat!
See you later, Skyver.
Hello. Are you all comfortable? Warm and cosy with your family, packed in next to everyone like that? Oh. Anyone feeling poorly? I bet some of you are. Apparently 1 in 10 of us will get the flu this winter. 3 of you may be spreading it right now. And you're talking, and you're breathing, and yeah, coughing. Maybe it's someone over here. Or here. Or him. Anyone up to 6 feet away, really. That's 4 or 5 seats to you. It only takes one. Achoo! Oh. Sorry, did I get you?
Come on, let's turn this off.